Siri, which you use every day, Netflix recommending your next series, or ChatGPT providing you with information, these are just the tip of the iceberg. What if I told you that the video you're watching or the audio you're listening to right now could be created by artificial intelligence in mere seconds? And there's more. In the medical field, AI is already assisting doctors by detecting certain types of cancer with accuracy rates comparable to human experts. On the other hand, this very technology is sparking debates about the future of billion-dollar projects in Hollywood. So, how secure is your job in this scenario? In recent years, there has been a noticeable decline in job postings in white-collar sectors most impacted by AI. Is artificial intelligence ushering in a new era of enlightenment for humanity, or is it the beginning of a nightmare spiraling out of our control? Let's explore the answer together. Whether we realize it or not, artificial intelligence has already become an indispensable part of our lives. It has moved beyond science fiction, embedding itself in our pockets, homes, and even our bodies through smartwatches. The process begins when you ask your virtual assistant, "What's the weather like today?" and continues silently throughout the day. Assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa now manage our calendars, send reminders, and control smart home devices. All of this is made possible by a technology called natural language processing. The navigation app you use on your commute analyzes real-time traffic to provide the fastest route. AI is working behind the scenes. When you open Netflix or Spotify in the evening, the recommendations you see are tailored to your tastes, opening the door to a fully personalized world. These platforms use complex algorithms to analyze your viewing and listening habits, predicting your next favorite content. Even in healthcare, AI is quietly at work. Smartwatches monitor your heart rate and alert you to potential risks in advance. In education, platforms like Canmigo provide personalized learning tailored to each student's pace and needs. In short, AI has become an invisible assistant, enhancing efficiency, simplifying life, and personalizing our experiences. But there's another side to this coin that's rarely discussed. As appealing as AI's conveniences are, the concerns it brings are equally significant. At the heart of these concerns lie two key questions: will I lose my job, and how secure is our future? Let's start with the infamous employment issue. Will AI take our jobs? Is no longer a prediction but a reality. Repetitive, rule-based jobs are directly facing the threat of automation. Fields like data analysis, customer service, accounting, and even software development now see AI performing tasks faster and with fewer errors than humans. In the tech world, coding assistants are significantly speeding up developers' work and boosting productivity. While this is great on one hand, it casts uncertainty over the future of entry-level positions. According to a McKinsey analysis, job postings in white-collar sectors most affected by AI have seen declines of up to 38% in recent years. This means the traditional career ladder is shaking for those just starting out. But the threat isn't just economic. Perhaps even more alarming is AI's power to manipulate reality. This is where deepfake technology comes into play. Deepfakes are AI-generated fake videos, audio, or images that are nearly indistinguishable from reality. With this technology, a politician can be made to say things they never said, a CEO's voice can be mimicked to orchestrate million-dollar scams, or an innocent person's reputation can be destroyed in seconds. The danger is so real that even experts sometimes struggle to differentiate fake from real. This has the potential to fundamentally erode societal trust. What information can we trust? How much of what we see and hear is real? These questions pose serious threats to democracy, law, and personal privacy. Using someone's face or voice without their consent violates the most basic principles of data protection. Moreover, AI systems tend to inherit and even amplify biases present in the data they're trained on. For instance, an AI used for hiring might perpetuate discrimination against certain groups if it was trained on biased historical decisions. Instead of fostering fairness, this could deepen existing inequalities. This is AI's dark side, a potential threat not only to our jobs but also to our sense of justice and reality. So, what should we do in the face of this daunting picture? Should we fear technology and turn our backs on it, or is there a way to harness this massive wave in our favor? Fortunately, AI is not just a bundle of threats, it also offers unprecedented opportunities for humanity. Let's revisit the job loss concern. Yes, some professions will either disappear or undergo radical changes. But throughout history, every technological revolution has created new jobs to replace the ones it eliminated. As automation takes over routine tasks, it frees humans to focus on more creative, strategic, and empathy-driven roles. Professions like AI engineer, data ethics specialist, or prompt engineer, unimaginable a decade ago, are emerging. The future job model will be built on collaboration, not competition, between humans and machines. AI will be our assistant, our analytical tool, our tireless helper, while we take the helm as strategists, creative thinkers, and decision makers. The opportunities extend beyond the job market. One of AI's most exciting potentials lies in healthcare. AI models analyzing medical images can detect diseases earlier and with greater accuracy than the human eye. According to Stanford University's AI Index report, some medical AI models have achieved accuracy rates above 90% in specific tasks, potentially saving millions of lives. In education, AI systems that recognize each student's unique needs can create personalized learning programs, promoting equal opportunities. In science, AI's ability to analyze massive datasets in seconds can play a key role in solving humanity's biggest challenges, from climate change to the discovery of new materials. In short, AI is like nuclear energy. In the wrong hands, it could become a weapon of mass destruction, but when used correctly, it can transform the fate of an entire civilization. Instead of viewing it as a threat, we can use it as an enhancer to amplify human intelligence and potential. The key to success in this new era is not to fear AI but to understand it and learn to work with it. In the midst of the AI revolution, we have a choice: stand on the sidelines or become active participants in this transformation. So, how do we adapt to this new era? Here are a few strategic suggestions. First, focus on your human skills. AI may outperform us in calculations, data analysis, and routine tasks, but critical thinking, creativity, complex problem-solving, emotional intelligence, and leadership remain our domain. Machines can answer what and how questions, but why and what's next are our expertise. While developing technical skills, never neglect your human side. Second, make lifelong learning a lifestyle. Yesterday's knowledge may become obsolete tomorrow. With technology advancing so rapidly, we must continuously update ourselves. Digital literacy is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Learning how to use AI tools, viewing them as helpers rather than threats, will give you an incredible advantage in this new world. Third, and perhaps most importantly, embrace ethics and responsibility. Managing the risks of this powerful technology is not just the job of engineers or policymakers, it's everyone's responsibility. Initiatives like the European Union's AI Act aim to set global standards for AI use, classifying systems by risk level and banning or strictly regulating applications that could endanger human rights or safety. As users, we must demand transparency, question how our data is used, and speak out against unethical practices. Remember, the future is not a pre-written script. It will be shaped by the steps we take and the decisions we make today. Artificial intelligence is neither a promise of utopia nor an inevitable doomsday scenario. It is one of the most powerful tools in human history, much like fire. With it, we can warm our homes, cook our food, or burn an entire forest to ashes. The choice is ours. The rise of AI gives us an opportunity to ask a fundamental question: what does it mean to be human? What values do we want to protect, and what kind of future do we want to build? The future will not be shaped by what AI can do but by what we choose to do with it. We are the writers, directors, and stars of this story. And the curtain is rising now. So, what do you think? How is AI affecting your life and career? Are you looking at the future with hope or concern? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss this big topic together. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on the notification bell. Your support is our greatest motivation to create more content.